Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today, can you see? I have here with some playing objects for you. Can you see this? What? How many types of playing objects you can see here? Check properly. Have you seen? There are skittles, cap, and balls. Different colors of balls are there, skittles are there, and caps are there. So why I am showing this all you all? When you have some different objects in your hands, we can say that you can arrange them in a proper way, in a proper manner. See, three types of objects are there. Say one type is skittles, another type is caps, and third one is balls. So you can arrange them in this way, so the all the skittles will be in one part, in one group, and the caps are in another group, and balls in one group. Yes, why you are asking of all this? Because we are starting a new exercise, new chapter, which is known as data handling. We will start our new chapter, data handling. This chapter we will first learn how to arrange the data. What are the data? What do we mean by the word data? See, here the playing objects are here doing the role of data. Here three types of data are there. Skittles, I can arrange them in one group. I can arrange the skittles in one group. How many are there? Afterwards I will count. First you arrange them, then you can arrange the caps also. You can arrange the cap in this way, and then you can arrange the ball. Understood? So they are, you can see that they are now in a group, and so that you can count them easily, you can arrange them easily. This is known as data handling. Now see how you will arrange the data in this group. The name of the playing objects you are giving in one line, one column. You will give the name of the playing objects. Skittles, how many types you have seen already? Skittles, caps, and balls. Now you have to write tally marks. Wait, afterwards I will show you how to write tally marks. Now these are the skittles. How many skittles are there you have seen, and you arrange them in this way, in this group. We are arranging the skittles here. Understood? 5. Now caps. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in one group. In one group you can arrange the caps in this way. Understood? 5 skittles, 4 caps, and now these are the balls. They are spherical, so they are moving only. How many balls you can arrange them here? 5 balls are there, so you have to arrange them in this box. Understood? Okay, they are disturbing, very much naughty. Okay. Okay, can you see now? They are disturbing a lot. They are running only. So this is the arrangement. Now what we will do? We will do them right in a tally marks. We will write them in a tally marks only. How to use tally marks? How many skittles have you seen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 skittles are there. So you have to, what you have to write, what is the tally marks means, just you draw one line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it is 5, then you make a bunch. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Now caps. How many caps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 caps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 marks you will draw in this way. Next, how many balls are there? See how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way they can't move only. The cotton place. So how many balls are there? 5. So you have to write the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5. You have to make a bunch. Now for these tally marks you can write the number also. You have to write the number of the objects. 5. Here it is 4. And here it is 5. This is only tally marks which you have to do in your tally marks chapter. In this data handling chapter, first 2-3 questions are on this tally marks process only. Here you have to arrange the objects, whatever the objects are there. Then you have to find the tally marks. Then counting these tally marks, you have to find the actual number. Understood?